Hello everyone and welcome to my first video. My name is Luca, I'm coming from Webflow agency and I'm not gonna talk too much about myself in the first video. I just want to go straight to the point and explain the Flexbox to you guys so you can quite understand better what's the Flexbox, how to use it in Webflow. And in some of the future videos I'm gonna talk about myself, what I like to do in my free time, day in life of Webflow developer, and etc, etc. So let's first get straight to the video and to the point. First we need to add a section. Let's add first one section. In our section we're gonna have one div. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna call it Father Nikola. You know, because of Nikola Jokic. That's the whole point. now we're gonna go add one div, 2, and 3. So what is the div actually? Div is totally the empty space as you can see, but it's like separated. We added 3, so we have 1, 2, 3. 3 separated empty spaces. So we don't have anything right here. So we're gonna give it a name. We're gonna have like Tom. We're gonna have Johnny. And we're gonna have, what's the name? I forgot. Jimmy, yeah. We have Jimmy. So to start, let's just specify some width. Let's give it some size, like 100 with 100 pixels with 100 pixels. So we're gonna have like a square here. And let's do that with the other one. 100 with 100. And here we're gonna have 100 with 100. And now let's add our picture. So like 100 pixels, yeah. So we have Tom, we need to add like 100 pixels here and 100 pixels here. So now we have our father. This is entire space here, from left to right is entire, and we have 3 kids. And now if we want to move this around and play with it, we're not gonna add Flexbox to our kids. You see, we want to add Flexbox to our parent element. So how are we gonna do that? We're gonna go to the layout here in display. We're gonna have Flex lays out. So when we click this, it's gonna put it horizontally. But now we can actually change that. We can choose to place it vertically back again, or we can keep it horizontally. It depends on what layout we want to have here. So if we keep it like this, let's just see which option. We can center it first. So double center here, and we centered our divs perfectly. Like, we do not have to think too much about it. We can also split it like this. We can do like this, fully split it. Like, if we want, for example, to specify space how we want, we're gonna put it back, and we're gonna say we have a gap right here. And we're gonna choose like, oh, I want 100 pixels gap. And that's gonna happen, like we're gonna get this 100 pixel gap. I want 200. That's it, like. That's totally easy to understand, like it is not that complicated. So understanding this is crucial for learning Webflow, in my opinion, understanding Flexbox and how it works. So I think that our father Nikola gonna be happy here. His kids are listening. They're on this exact place they need to be. So as I say, like, we need to, every time we are adding, let's just put this back. So every time we want to add Flexbox, we're not giving to child elements, like to our Jimmy, Tom, and Johnny. We need to add it to the parent element, like here. You see? We need to add it to parent element. And then we again on the parent element choose how we want them to be placed on our page. So that's the most important thing here. Like we can again choose, you can align it to the left, to the center, to the right. It's really custom and based on what you want to achieve in your design. And I think I was pretty fast, creative. So thank you for watching this video. Comment if you have any recommendation, what should I do next, which tutorial. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.